Today we're going to take a look at the Lily Brush Mini Pet Hair Detailer. The Mini Pet Hair Detailer is a small tool with a silicone edge. It has two angled edges, which are excellent for getting into tight corners, and two rounded edges for gentle inward curves that are always hard to get to. My original idea was to review this product using my car, since Izyan sheds so much and gets hair everywhere, but when I removed the pet liner I have for the back seat, there was actually almost no hair back there. So instead we'll see how this tool works on a few different surfaces. The first being my comforter, which is a form of suede and is notoriously difficult to get dog hair out of. We can see that the silicone edges effortlessly grab the hair from the surface and begin piling it up for us. With just one initial pass, you can see that it grabs at least 75% of the hair that is trapped to the bedding, and with just a few more subsequent passes, easily removes 95% or more of the hair, even the bit that's embedded and woven into the comforter. The only downside with using this tool is that the surface you're working on has to be taut, or it tends to drag the surface with it. When using this on a car's interior, this would obviously not be an issue, but something to take note of when using it on any surface that can be moved or pulled. Ideally, you would pair this with a vacuum to suck up the hair as you move it toward an edge, as otherwise it will fly around a bit on you, as you can see happen to me. For the second surface, we'll be using it on the very hairy pet liner that I have in the back of my car that Izyan sits in whenever we go for rides. You can see the brush effortlessly pulls almost all of the hair with just one pass. The curved edge and angled edges were definitely super convenient to use for the edges, as it effortlessly got into the edge and pulled all of the hair out. Now, one argument that could be made is that you could use any rubber or silicone product to remove the hair, and you're absolutely right. You could use a silicone squeegee or a rubber sandal, but the convenience of this brush is its size and the edges that it has that allows it to be able to get into really tight areas, such as the floor right around my floor mats, and get the hair out of there. My entry mat that sits in Izyan's kennel is probably the best test I could show for this, as it's the same material that's used in cheaper automotive interiors, which loves to hold onto hair and fibers no matter what you try. As you can see, the Lily Brush Mini Pet Hair Detailer effortlessly pulls the hair out of the tight fibers and clumps it together nicely for us. The Lily Brush Mini Pet Hair Detailer can be bought from Amazon for $10. Would I say it's worth it? If you have any need at all to get pet hair out of carpets or hard to clean surfaces, I would definitely say so. It's small, convenient, easy to use, and effortlessly gets into those hard to reach surfaces and remove the hair for you. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, if you like the content coming out, please share the video and like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date as new content comes out. Take care.